If you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face, then this video is surely for you. If you don't have any skills, or you don't have money to buy a new camera for recording videos to make money on YouTube, then you don't have to worry about that, because in this video, I show you some great and best YouTube niches channel ideas who can make money on YouTube without showing his faces, and how to attract people and retain people to see your videos, through which you can easily complete your 4,000 watch time on YouTube. First we gonna start the video. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Number 5 niche is compilation niche. Now you can see the Trend Royale channel, who can get 387,000 views from last 30 days, which is good, and see their monthly estimate earning is $97 to $1.50, which is best amount. Now see their daily views, 16,000, 14,000, and 13,000 daily videos views. Now go to their channel. Now you can see this channel is verified by YouTube, and they got 151,000 subscribers. Now see their videos as next level skills which amaze you. Try not to be amazed. Most insane stuff that caught on camera. Now you can see they get their videos from TikTok websites. TikTok is the platform where you can get videos without any copyright claim and copyright strike. They get videos from there and do some editing, add music and upload on YouTube. You can see that their videos views is more than 8,000 to 15,000, which is good, not bad. You can also do better than this if you do work hard. Now 4th niche is fitness niche. Now see the Body Hub as the channel. See their last 30 days views is more than 1 million plus views, and see their monthly estimate earning is up to $453 to $7,000, which is huge amount. And see their daily videos views as 48,000, 50,000, 83,000, 88,000 views, which is very best. You can also better than this if you work hard. Now see the channel which is verified by YouTube, and they got 954,000 subscribers. Now see their videos which is 10 surprising food that are high in proteins, 15 food you should eat after exercise, 10 easy ways to naturally whiten yellow stained teeth. Now you can see that they use text to video, and they get scripts from Google and use some free stock videos. I think they use InVideo online editor, which is very best online editor to convert your text into video, and InVideo also got some best text styles. Now 3rd niche is luxury niche. Modern Muscle is the channel. Now see their last 30 days views as 1 million plus views, which is very best, and see their monthly estimate is up to $295 to almost $5,000, which is best. Now see their daily videos views as 45,000 views, 44,000 views, and 51,000 views in every video. Now let's go to their channel. Now you can see that this is verified by YouTube, and they got 226,000 subscribers. Now see their videos as 9 depreciating cars only stupid people buy, 7 cheap tuner cars only smart people buy, 7 sports cars only smart people buys. Now you can see that this is all about luxury. They used free stock luxury cars videos in their video. They usually use Pixabay website and Pexel website to create luxury videos. They download 4 to 6 videos and combine them and create a video. Now you can see their views as more than 75,000 plus views, 25,000 plus views. And you can use more than this if you give your hard work, then you can get. Now 2nd niche is car niche. Now VYBO is the channel. See their last 30 days views is more than 1 million. And their monthly estimate earning is $353 to $5.60, which is very best. Now see their last 30 days views as 44,000, 42,000 views, 52,000, 58,000 views, 55,000 views. And see their subscribers increases 1,000 after 3 days. Now see their channel. You can see they got 395,000 subscribers. And see their videos as Rick Ross, Millionaire's Mindset, How to Go From Nothing to Something, The Power of Subconscious Mind, and something like that, all of his videos. And they also use free stock videos to make his videos. They get their videos from Pixabay and Pexels. In this website, all videos and footage and images in free copyright. You can also use them without any copyright fear. After they get their videos from these websites, then they add some script and create the video. You can also create this types of videos very easily. Now first niche is tech niche. New tech gadgets is the channel. Now see their last 30 days views is more than 3 million, which is very best. And see their monthly estimate is $990 to $15.80, which is very best, which too good. And see their daily views is more than 1 million in every videos, 1.4 million views and 1.4 million views. Now let's go to their channel. Now see that they got 1.32 million subscribers. And you can see their videos. They just upload technology videos just like 10 best gadgets, top 10 men's gadgets, top 10 cool gadgets, just like that videos. They get their videos from Amazon and AliExpress. They use affiliate program and earn money with bonus. Amazon and AliExpress give commission on this. You can also use Amazon and AliExpress affiliate program and earn money with bonus. Now if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get my new videos notification.